This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the hood on a 2003 Chevy Suburban. So today I'm helping a friend replace the hood on this vehicle, and the process is pretty simple. On each side there are just 3 bolts. They require a 1/2-inch socket to remove them, and on each side we placed a block of wood. So when you take the last bolt out, and when you do this, take them out 1, 2, and this is the last bolt you'll take, and don't take it until you have 1 man on each side. But the blocks of wood will keep the hood from falling into the windshield in case one guy slips, because if that happens, you're buying a new windshield. So I have a secondary block over here, and then the other assembly aid that really helps out is a piece of 2x4 cut to 37 inches. On top it fits between the hood latch and this little profile on the hood, so it'll just kind of sit in there and hold the load, so it makes it easy for the people who are taking the bolts out. So now it's just a matter of removing that 3rd bolt on each side. We'll set this hood aside. We'll set the new hood in place against the wooden blocks. Put this assembly aid, 37-inch long piece of 2x4, and we can tighten those bolts back up. The new hood is on. It took about 15 minutes. We had to move it left to right twice, but everything looks good.